Hello, and welcome to the Tower Coffee Hour. I'm Preston Tyree, your host, and this morning I had a chance to meet with the team at Mueller Central over in their office. They've just opened back up again after COVID, and they would love to see you. So they threw a little party for us. It was called A Cup of Joe with Joe, and everybody was welcome. We had a chance to talk with Joe and Roger, Ayana, and Tatenda. Please take a look and go over and meet the team that runs Mueller.
Have a cup of Joe with Joe.
Have a cup of Joe with Joe. And so you're Joe, and Joe, pronounce your last name.
It is Ristuccia.
Ristuccia, okay. Those are soft C's, not hard C's.
It really should be a hard C, but it was kind of Americanized by my grandparents.
Okay, good. And what's your job here, Joe?
I am the community manager, so I work with the staff here and the residents and just make sure that everything goes as smoothly as it can, and we take care of issues and problems and resolve them and do the best we can in meeting the expectations of our residents out here.
That's an easy job, huh, Joe?
Oh, not a problem at all.
Not a problem. You've done this kind of work before, though.
Yes, I have. I've been in this industry, in the HOA, POA industry for about 25 years now.
Okay. In Austin?
I've been in Austin since 2018. I moved to Houston from New Jersey, where I'm originally from, in 1978. So I've been down here for quite a while.
Didn't sound like you grew up in South Texas.
No.
Okay.
I had hoped I'd lose the accent, but apparently I haven't, because everybody mentions that to me.
So, one thing about Mueller that you want the residents to know.
This is a very vibrant, exciting, interesting community. Like I said, I've done most of my work in suburban areas. This is my first time with an urban community. I enjoy every day out here. I really do, because there's so much going on. There's so much interesting things. The people I've met have been phenomenal. Great stories, backgrounds. I'm very, very proud of this community, and I want everybody to know that they should be proud of it too. It is a great community to live in, to work in, and to be a part of.
And we're all trying to make it better.
Yes, absolutely.
All right. Joe, I really appreciate your time, and this Have a Cup of Joe with Joe is a great idea.
We'll do it often. We will.
All right. Roger, what's your job here at Mueller Central?
I am the landscape manager. I've been with Mueller Central now for 8 weeks, so 2 months I've been in this job.
So you just kind of got thrown in, right?
Yeah, they threw me into the fire, out of the frying pan into the fire, but I've really enjoyed it so far. Lots of things to do, lots of things to fix and that kind of stuff, but looking forward to the challenge.
Those are some of the buildings.
So when I or anyone in the neighborhood sees something that looks like it needs help, how do we contact you? How do we let you know? Do we send you pictures? What do we do?
You can send pictures in a wider angle picture if you're going to send pictures, not a close-up, so I can kind of see. Make sure there's some sort of description, location description. Addresses are really good. You can also send requests on Town Square. They can do that. They'll come into the office here, and then they forward those things to me for me to look at and that kind of thing. But always, if you're doing pictures, make sure it's not right on top of it. Not too long ago, I got a picture, and the only thing I had was a set of stairs and the house color, and I found it, but it takes a little bit. So.
Yeah, you need to spend your time doing something else besides looking at
investigation. Right.
All right, Roger, I'm looking forward to working with you in the future, and hope your day is a good one.
Other than a little bit of rain today, it's going to be a good day.
Alrighty, I'm Ayana. I've been here for about 2 years now. Oh, name spelling, Ayanna. I am the operations manager, and I started off as the receptionist. So it's been a pleasure working here for Mueller. I look forward to being here long-term wise, and I look forward to seeing everybody.
And you pronounce it Mueller?
Miller. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I do not correct anybody, though. Tomato, tomato.
The easy way to do it is just say, the old airport.
There you go.
Yeah,
there
okay.
you go.
Yeah.
You see, I'm learning.
Yeah. Okay,
Just pretend that.
what is your job and your name?
So my name is Tatenda, that's Tatenda. I'm the front desk associate here at Mueller. I recently just joined. I'm fairly new, but I'm glad that the residents here have been so welcoming and receiving of me. The team also that I work with has been so amazing. I mean, just like Ayana, I also look forward to an amazing long-term stay here and just an experience for sure.
Yes, ma'am. It's been a pleasure having you, to be honest. She's been such an amazing addition, such a big help here. Very big help. My staff is amazing here. I'm grateful.
And we chose this location for your interview because of the sign behind you, Urban Cool, Urban Smart. And here are the two ladies, the two people who
Yes.
take care of us.
Yes.
And keep it
Contact us, call us, come visit us. We look forward to seeing you all.
Keep it cool and smart.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Some of our local residents dropped in for the meeting this morning and had a chance to go and look at the model and make sure that everything on it was looking good. That's a really good opportunity for you to come and see what Mueller really looks like with that model. It's pretty impressive, and you ought to take a look.
See that they have Antone Street crossing Bergman and coming all the way to Bond.
Over 5,000 square feet of retail. Retail. Many of us would be looking to make it great.
Okay, so that's a really quick look at Mueller Central and a team that's going to be running Mueller. It's a team that you can interact with. They need our help. They need us to tell them what's going on in the neighborhood so they can get it fixed. And believe me, they're going to do that. This is Ty Tyree signing off for the Tower Coffee Hour.